Hey y'all, and happy Vlogtober day 24. I can't believe it's Tuesday already. It feels like the week is gone, but like it's just Tuesday. But I don't know, it feels like the week is like on its way out, right, Wayne? Or maybe we just want Halloween to come. Ooh. Yeah, you mad at Tuxie? You want to tell everybody why you're irritated today? So, 3 little poodles had their teeth brushed today. So they're not very happy, but it's okay. It's okay. You got your cute little candy corn on. You want to show everybody your candy corn outfit? Check out my candy corn fit. Yeah? See? It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Just a mess. All right, pumpkin. Here, we'll put you on the top. For some reason, they like love being on the top and like running back and forth. And of course, she's going to come down here to prove that I'm making this up, which I'm not, but y'all know how Winnie does. So today we are going through our small little haul of items that I ordered online that came in. And these came in when the laundry detergent came, and I just hadn't gotten around to opening them. I need to get better at that. But inside with the laundry detergent was these cute little holder and 4 of the spiced pumpkin and patchouli car scents. And so I know like the car scents are, you know, they got a little bit of controversy going on. But I've never had an issue with them. I like using them as a vent clip and just put it in front of the vent in my car. So then, and honestly, like I mostly use them during the winter time or like when it's cold during fall. So I can't wait for this one to fire up. I don't know, when I put them in here, and I can show you, I will typically put the permeable or the impermeable membrane, so the hard part, and put it towards the back. And then, so the part that's facing me is like the soft permeable one. So like the scent should be able to come through, and stick it in there and it's good. Some people have said that it hasn't really filled their car all that well. I don't know if maybe like it's just the placement of it. I will say that I tend to stay away from the visor clips, but I've heard that the visor clips are good for the summer because your air will be probably pumping like cold air, so it's not going to heat up the scent as well. But if this has just been sitting in your car and sitting on the visor with all the heat and stuff, then when you get in the car, you should be able to smell it. I don't know. That's what the streets say. That's what they said. All I know is I use it in the fall and the winter, and it works great. So I don't know. So anyhow, let's open these packages. And I believe, oh wow, this is interesting. There's a whole lot of styrofoam, and like now I'm glad that I'm opening this on video so other people can see, because I'm like slightly disturbed by this. Sorry, let me show you guys. So this is the packaging inside. Y'all just saw me cut this open now. Y'all saw me cut it open. I literally just cut the box open. I'm not making this up. Okay. Oh, I'm really nervous, guys. Like, I just assumed that this was going to be in a box. And I know when you make assumptions, you make a you-know-what out of me and you. I know. I'm going to be positive. While I am being positive and trying to open this, sorry, it's taking all my effort to be positive. Y'all, I am just so okay, I'm sorry. I'm just nervous opening this. Because I appreciate that they wrapped it in styrofoam. I will say that. But like now I'm going to have styrofoam all over the couch. And I just tidied up all the blankets and stuff so it wouldn't look like a wild circus when you guys were watching the video. And now it's gonna look like a circus with snowballs everywhere. Okay. Then it's packaged. Oh wow, this is heavy. She was right. Okay. I guess my concern was for no reason. Oh, look, it's so cute. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's Halloween and I keep having all this Christmas stuff. It's Bath and Body Works' fault. Oh my goodness, the styrofoam is oh, excuse me. This styrofoam is a piece of work. Anyhow, so here we have the beautiful ornament candle holder. I was gonna say handle holder. That's hilarious. Wow, y'all, and it's heavy. Like, this baby has some substantial weight, and I'm curious to how heavy it was. Here, let's look on the box. The box of styrofoam, that is. 3.85 pounds, according to FedEx. But look at that. Oh, and I love the little detail on the top of the ornament. Like, can you imagine? And then if you put like a cute little bow in here and a cute little bow in there, like, then it'll really look like you were out here DIYing. Like, I'm sure that somebody could easily take like 2 plates, 2 ornaments, and then just like glue them together to make it look like this and like look nice. But this is such a nice, heavy, solid piece. Like, this is definitely one that's gonna last for years, for sure. I'm just like shooketh though that it came in just a styrofoam box. Cause y'all, when I picked the box up, I was like, I don't have a good feeling about this. Like, I feel like it's gonna be not looking great when I open this box. But that gives me hope for this box, because this box actually was the one that I was really concerned about. So I was like, I don't know. Right, Winnie? You're just hiding. This is Sterling hiding back here. They're a trip. Now, as soon as I stop recording, then they'll be like, oh, Mom, we want to play. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, let me be all up in your face. That's how they do. They wild. Right, Tuxie? The girls are wild. Well, this is interesting. This is not what I expected. But now I'm like, okay, this is weird because I ordered 2 ornaments. Or did I order 3? I guess I ordered 3 ornaments. But here's some hand soaps that I did not order. So I guess that means somebody got my other ornament instead, because I mean, kitchen linen and flannel are both good scents, but yeah, I definitely don't remember ordering these. So that's wild. Or did I? No, because I don't really, I mean, like, would I love flannel in a soap and then the kitchen lemon? Like, sure, but like, I don't need any soap, y'all. Like, y'all know I have so many soaps. There's no way that I need soap. And now I'm just confused. I wonder if they put the wrong label on the wrong box. So I guess, I don't know. If that happened, then like, I hope whoever got my Christmas ornaments are enjoying them, at least for now. That's crazy. Have y'all ever had that happen to you? Like, this is nuts. I seriously don't remember ordering kitchen lemon or flannel. Wow, today has really been full of surprises. And there's another box. And I'm scared to open it now because it was supposed to be another Christmas train, but I don't know. Let's go get it. Let's see. Okay, I'm back, and that's hilarious because this is probably why I don't record over here in the living room, because I looked at the other video real quick and I was like, oh wow, like half of my head is cut off the whole entire time. Not that I'm like vain or anything, but I'm sure it probably looks weird. Winnie, why didn't you tell me? No, you just wanted me to play myself? All right, so let's see what's in here. Okay, I think this is, yes. Okay, so this is the train that I ordered. Oh my gosh, and part of me like doesn't even want to take it out of the box. But let me just show you guys. Oh my gosh, it's huge, it's massive. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, here we are. And yes, this is the train. And you can see on here, it is number 947. I don't know, I'm still kind of like in shock by the whole opening of the package, and like the ornaments weren't in there, so that's wild. Yeah, that's crazy, but I don't know. Well, you guys, you saw my other video with like the train. So I ordered a second train because I wanted one, because I mostly, well, of course I say that as I'm filming upstairs, but I mostly film downstairs usually whenever I'm doing candle related stuff, in the little office candle room, or the candle layer. But anyways, and so I wanted a second train to have upstairs to like sit on the coffee table, or to have it over there on the kitchen table, like so I could actually enjoy it. I mean, I go down to the candle room like every day, but I don't know. It's just something about like being up here and you see it in like your most common living spaces or area. I don't know, but that's why I had ordered a second one. So grateful that this came and it's here, because if you guys didn't know, it's sold out, which is, I mean, I don't know. I was saying it was gonna go. I thought that it was gonna disappear faster than it did, but you know, I mean, it is what it is, honey, and that's what I was saying when it first came out. Like, if you're at all interested, definitely check it out. Hopefully, there's still some stores around where people can get access to it, or who knows, maybe it'll pop back up online. You know, who knows? We never know, you know, it might. But as of right now, like, you can't order it online for online shipping, but you could also try to look online and see if maybe you could focus it at a store, possibly, or just checking inside local stores, because it was like 1 or 2 stores that I went by, and I actually, like, I saw the actual train still up in there. So there are some areas that are kind of like, meh, you know, people aren't really into the candle holder. So there's still a possibility. And I'm sure they're going to come out with other candle holders and stuff, because Christmas is just starting. So fingers crossed. But yeah, y'all, this is so, I'm sorry, but like, I am still just like in shock, because in my mind, I thought in that big box that, like, I don't know, maybe they had put it in there, put the ornament holders in there, but like they didn't wrap it up or something. And so that's why I was so shocked when I opened this one. But it was wrapped in styrofoam, and I'm like, what's going on here? Like, this is crazy. So yeah, I guess I'll be chatting with customer service today. It's just like, I don't know, like, I don't mind and I don't have any qualms like talking to the customer service, but like, I feel not that I feel bad, but it just gives me like pause and anxiety, because I'm just like, I promise you, like, I'm not making this up. I want nothing more than like to have all of my stuff and not to have to call or not to have to chat and be like, hey, so I got this instead of what I was supposed to get, or you know, like my stuff is missing. Like I just never want to be like in that position to be that person, because I don't know. Then I'm like, what if they're like, oh, she's called already once this year, like, no, take her off the mailing list, you know, or something like that. Like, what if I get blackmailed? Like, I mean, blacklisted. Why did I say blackmail? That's wild. What if I get blacklisted, y'all? Like, I would not know how to survive. I would be like asking my neighbors, can I use your shipping address, please? Like, cause I don't know, but it's probably all in my head. I'm just freaking out for no reason. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go make myself either a little cup of tea. I really want like to make some iced coffee, but I feel like probably the last thing that I need right now is iced coffee. Although iced coffee can be a nice afternoon pick-me-up. Right, Winnie? As Winnie is laying here. Sleeping? You sleeping? You sleeping on the job, girl? Yeah? A mess. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and take some pictures so I can send them the customer service and be like, hey, I'm still missing my stuff. Let's see, what else? Is there anything cool about today, Tuxie? Tuxie? Can we come here? No? You chilling? He's laid on the other side of the couch chilling. A mess. What else is going on today? Right now we just have the both Spice Citrus Grove candle going. It's in the Homeworks Luminary. That's right, we match brands around here. And I don't know, I'm burning it because I already started burning it like with a match. Well, not with a match, but with my lighter. And I'm like, I'm gonna just burn it and finish it, because after this one, and like at this point I'm like, if a candle has already been lit, then I'm just gonna light it up and that's gonna be it. Anything else I'm just gonna warm, because I cannot, like, I don't know, y'all, the soot just gets to me. Like, not gets to me that where it like affects me, but just like seeing it and knowing that like it could possibly show up on the walls or something like that, I'm like, no. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna be warming candles. Unless it's a candle that like can't be warmed, then maybe we'll just take it and enjoy it outside on our little back porch thing or something. But I don't know, y'all, it scared me. I mean, who knows? I may change my mind later. I don't know, but right now I'm like, I'm trimming wigs. I'm on a doggone it. I'm trying to cut the suit to like a real minimum. So yeah, so we'll see. Dang, Tuxie, you tired too? You guys really did not enjoy getting your teeth brushed today. But your breath smells great. It was a game changer. But, all right. Well, guys, thanks for spending some time with me during this wild unboxing. Now I'm super glad that I decided to go ahead and unbox this stuff with you guys. And yeah, I will catch you in the next video tomorrow. Ciao.